Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, my dear students. Today I am here to deliver my SST lecture for class 2. My dear students, it's our social studies book. My dear student, it's book for the class 2, and today we will discuss about a family. Unit number 1, lesson number 1, and the topic is about my family. Yes, my dear students, today I will discuss about the family. What is family? Family क्या होती है? My dear student, everyone belongs to a family. Other women, animals or things, हर चीज एक फैमिली से बिलोंग करती है. वो एनिमल हो, वो प्लांट्स हो, वो फर्नीचर हो, या कोई भी चीज हो. लाइक फर्नीचर फैमिली, चेयर, टेबल, कबर्ड, all belongs to our family. Furniture family, vegetable family, all the veggies are belongs to a vegetable family. Fruit belongs to fruit family, and we belong to a family. Family consists of many members, or grandparents, parents, aunts, uncles, cousins, siblings. All are our family members. Yes, my dear students. First, you have to solve this page number 2. It's all about myself, about yourself. Yes, my dear students. You have to solve this page. You have to paste your picture over here. We have to paste your picture over here and solve this book page. This is me, means you. This is me, and my name is. You have to write your name over here. Then my friends call me. Your nickname. What your friends call you? You have to write that name over here. I was born on dash. You have to write your birthday dates over here. With the exact year, I am dash year old. How old are you? You have to write the exact number. How old are you? I am dash centimeter tall. You have to write your height over here. I weigh dash kg. And my address is dash. My dear student, you have to write your exact address over here. And then my telephone number, your phone number, and I am in class. In which class do you read? In 2 class. I am in class 2. Class 2. And my favorite subject is dash. What is your favorite subject? You have to write the subject name over here. And at the last, I enjoy playing. What? My dear student, what you want to play? What you like to play? Which sport do you like most? You have to write that sport over here. My dear student, after the completion of page number 2, the question who is the tallest person in your class, it's a question about your class, your friends. And then, does anyone in the class have a birthday in the same month as you? My dear students, after this page, you have to solve about yourself, your name, your friends calls you, your nickname, your birthday, and your age, your weight, your height, your address, telephone number. You have to complete this page, and then we will discuss about the families. Okay, my dear student, I have told you earlier what is family. Family is what? Family, I will discuss about a family. Family consists on many members. आपकी family में बहुत से members होंगे, but I will discuss about your family first. आपकी family, जो आपकी family, my family, consisting of your mother and father. We all have our mother and father. Mother and father. Okay. The daughter and son. Mother and father have daughter and son. My dear students, mother and father, हमारे parents, हम उनके बच्चे, daughter and आप जैसी daughter and son, they are having their kids called their daughter and son. You are the son of your mother and father, and daughter of your mother and father. My dear student, it's a family. It's your family, and it's another family. It's called extended family. Okay, what is the difference between family and extended family? Yes, it's quite obvious. My dear student, extended family you all have your grandparents, the parents of your father and the parents of your mother, and then your aunt and uncle, the sister of your mother or My dear student, the kids, the children of your aunt and uncle are called your cousins. Your cousins. Yes, my dear students, your cousins, your friends. Yes, आप सबके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं. ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपकी मदर के पेरेंट्स, आपके नाना जान और नानी जान, एंड आपके फादर के पेरेंट्स, जो आपके दादा जान और आपकी दादी जान है, वो आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं. वो आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के जो मीन्स आपके दादा जान दादी जान के जो आप बच्चे हैं, वो जो उनके बेटा होगा वो मतलब एक तो आपके फादर होंगे और सेकंड आपके अंकल होंगे, और जो आपकी दादा जान की बेटी होंगी वो आपकी फूफू होंगी, आपकी फूफू होंगी, और आपके नाना जान के बेटे आपके मामू होंगे कॉल्ड अंकल, एंड योर आंट द डॉटर ऑफ योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, आपकी नाना जान की जो बेटी होंगी, एक तो आपकी मदर होंगी और आपकी मदर की जो सिस्टर होंगी कॉल्ड योर आंट योर फादर. यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, और उनके बच्चे आपके चाचू, आपकी फूफो, आपकी खाला, आपके मामू के बच्चे, दे आर कॉल्ड योर कजिन्स. वो आपके कजिन्स होंगे. यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द फैमिलीज, माय फैमिली एंड एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली. अब एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली और माय फैमिली, उसमें थोड़ा सा फर्क ये है कि हम इसमें एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं कि हम जैसे एक ट्री होता है वो रूट से स्टार्ट होता है, और ये ट्री ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से स्टार्ट होती है. ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के बाद आपके फादर, मदर, आंट, अंकल, एंड देन यू एंड योर कजिन्स. Yes, my dear students, now I will discuss about a family of Mr. Habib Ali. Mr. Habib Ali. My dear student, on page number 3, it's a page number 3 about the families. It's about a one family, it's extended family. It is called extended family. Why it is called extended family? Because there are lots of members, parents, grandparents, cousins, aunts, uncles. This is called extended family. Okay, my dear students. Mr. Habib Ali is Mr. Raza Ali's father. Mr. Habib Ali is Mr. Raza Ali's father, and he is Yasir and Anam's father. Yasir and Anam's father. Mr. Habib Ali is 80 years old. Obviously, Mr. Habib Ali is 80 years old, and he is the grandfather. My dear student, he lives in a countryside. On his birthday, his whole family came to his house. Zainab Ali's brother Anwar and his wife Fatma also came, and they had a grand party. Yes, my dear student, हम जब हमारे बर्थडेज होती है, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की बर्थडे होती है, तो हम सब लोग मिलकर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. हम सारी फैमिली, हम लोग सब लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं और हम सब लोग उसको एक ग्रैंड पार्टी करते हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाई ये सारी फैमिली आज अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के पास क्यों आई है? बिकॉज वो अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए है. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, मिस्टर हबीब अली इज द ग्रैंडफादर and Mr. Raza is the father. Yasir and Anam both are the kids, both are the children. Okay, my dear student, Mr. Habib Ali is 80 years old, and he lives in a countryside. On his birthday, whose birthday? Mr. Habib Ali's birthday is too. That's why the whole family came to his house and joined a grand party. Okay, my dear student, here is a picture of Ali's family. Can you see Mr. Habib Ali? Where is Mr. Habib Ali? Yes, Mr. Habib Ali. Mr. Habib Ali. Okay, here is a plan of Ali's family. It is called family tree. It is called family tree. My dear students, it is a family connection of Mr. Habib Ali. Is Ali's family. The first member of Ali's family is Mr. Habib Ali, the grandfather, and second one is Mrs. Habib Ali, the wife of Mr. Habib, Mrs. Habib Ali, the grandmother, and then the kids of the children of Mr. Habib and Mrs. Habib Ali are Tahmeena, Imran, Raza Ali, and Zainab Ali. Tahmeena, Imran, Raza Ali, and Zainab Ali. Okay, my dear students, Tahmeena and Imran are aunt and uncle of Yasir and Anil. Both are aunt and uncle. Tahmeena and Imran. Tahmeena is aunt, Imran is uncle of Yasir and Anil. Okay, and Raza and Zainab, Raza Ali is the father of Anam and Yasir. Zainab Ali is mother of Anam and Yasir. Tahmina and Imran having three kids, Mahmood, Ahmed and Zar. Mahmood, Ahmed and Zar. And they are the cousins of Anam and Yasir. Cousins of Anam and Yasir. Okay my dear student, hope you understand. आप सबको समझ आ गई होगी इस लेसन की. And then there are some words we use when we talk about relations. जब भी हम रिलेशंस के बारे में बात करते हैं, अपने रिश्तों के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो हम इन वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं. अपने रिलेशंस के लिए हम ये वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स लर्न अबाउट दिस वर्ड्स. द फादर, द मदर, सन, डॉटर. फादर, mother, son, daughter. Father, mother, son, daughter. Then grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, granddaughter. Okay my dear student, you are the grandson of your grandparents, granddaughter of your grandparents. Then brother, sister, uncle, aunt. My dear student, these words, ये वर्ड आपके रिलेशन को डिफाइन करते हैं, आपके रिश्तों को डिफाइन करते हैं कि आपका रिलेशन नेक्स्ट पर्सन से क्या है. हु इज ही टू यू और शी टू यू, कि आपका उनके साथ रिलेशन क्या है. इन वर्ड्स को हम यूज करते हैं. अगर इज योर फादर और अंकल, योर ग्रैंड मदर और ग्रैंड पेरेंट, ग्रैंडफादर. ओके, लुक एट द फैमिली ट्री, पेज नंबर 3. ट्राई टू नेम दीज पीपल. इट्स अ फैमिली ट्री. With the help of this tree, you have to solve this one, this page, this exercise activity. Mr. Raza Ali is the father. Father of Mr. Raza Ali's father. Sorry, Mr. Raza Ali's father. Mr. Raza Ali के father कौन है? Mr. Habib. Mr. Habib Ali is the father of Mr. Raza Ali. And then Anam's mother. What is the name of Anam's mother? Anam's mother name is Zainab Ali. Zainab Ali is the wife of Raza Ali and the mother of Anam and Yasir. Anam's mother name is Zainab Ali. Okay, Yasir's grandmother name is Mrs. Habib Ali. Mrs. Habib Ali. And Yasir's uncle name is Imran. Ahmad's brother name is Mahmood. Ahmad is the cousin of Yasir. Ahmad and Mahmood both are the cousins of Yasir and Anam. And then the next, you have to, here are some pictures to help you, use them only if you get stuck. Grandfather, grandmother, father and mother. My dear students, the very question, who is the youngest person in Ali's family? Ali के family में youngest person कौन है? Yasir is the youngest person in Ali's family. Yasir is the youngest person in Ali's family. My dear student, how many cousins does Mahmood have? Mahmood के कितने cousin हैं? Mahmood have 2 cousins, Anam and Yasir. Mahmood के कितने cousins हैं? 2 cousins, Anam and Yasir. And the next question, how many aunts and uncles does Anam have? Anam के aunts and uncle कितने हैं? तो Anam के aunts and uncle, just 1 aunt and 1 uncle. Imran and Tahmina, aunt and uncle of Anam. What are their names? उनके names क्या हैं? The uncle name is Imran and the aunt name is Tahmina. Okay beta, this is the work page, page number 5. Here are the fingerprints of my right hand, your right hand. You have to you have to print your fingerprints. You have to print over here. You have to, it's the space for your thumb, and then first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger. Here are the fingerprints of my left hand, your left hand. Thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, and then little finger. Answer this question about your family. Your family, what is your family name? My dear student, you have to write your family name over here. If you belong to Somali family, then you have to write your family name, or other family, you have to write your family name over here. then what is your mother name? You have to write your mother name over here. आपको अपनी mother का name write करना है. It's page about all about you. ये full page है आपके बारे में. You have to complete it by yourself. ये आप खुद complete करेंगे. ये आपकी information है. How many cousins do you have? आपकी cousins कितने हैं? What is your mother's daughter called? आपकी mother की जो daughter है वो क्या उनको क्या कहती है? And then how is she related to you? वो आपकी क्या लगती है? Okay, my dear students, then ask one of your friend the following question and complete the form below. You have to ask from your cousin, your sister, your friend. Your cousins are also your friend. What is your name? ये इंटरव्यू आप अपने फ्रेंड से करें. आप उनसे इंफॉर्मेशन लेंगे. What is your name? आपका नेम क्या है? What is your father name? How many sisters do you have? How many brothers do you have? How many members are in your family? And how many people live in your house? और कितने लोग हैं जो आपके घर में रहते हैं? Yes, my dear student, I hope you understand. आपको अच्छी तरीके से relations की, family की समझ आ गई होगी. My dear students, you have to mark your attendance over here. आप सबको अपनी attendance mark करवानी है. आपको अपना name बोलना है सबको with class section. Let's start your attendance. Mark your attendance first. Attendance आप अपने नेम से मेंशन करेंगे. अगर चैट बॉक्स में करेंगे अपने नेम से, अपने डिवाइस के नेम से नहीं करेंगे. Yes, my dear students, mark your attendance. अपना नेम बोलिए with your class and section. I'm waiting for your response. Alicia. Okay, Alicia, 2 class. Branch 1.
My name is Alicia.
Okay, well done, Alicia. The next one. Who is the next one? Yes, my dear students. Girls, kindly mark your attendance. Speak aloud, dear students. Girls, please attendance mark your way. Then recall your name. Your voice is not clear. Who's there? बेटा अपना नाम बोले. From girls side. Abdullah Tahir. Okay, Abdullah Tahir, class 2. Okay, branch 1. Chungu. Okay, good, very good, Abdullah Tahir. Who is the next one from the girls side? Yes, my dear student. बेटा अपना नेम कॉल करते हैं. अटेंडेंस मार्क हो जाएगी. बच्चे चैट बॉक्स में भी आप अपने अटेंडेंस मार्क कर सकते हैं. अब अपना नेम, क्लास सेक्शन राइट कर सकते हैं. बेटा दोबारा से बोले. Okay, Abdullah, very good बेटा. बच्चे अगर आप हेजिटेट कर रहे हैं तो आप चैट बॉक्स में अपनी अटेंडेंस मार्क करवा सकते हैं with your name, class and section. And after this, if you have any question regarding your lesson, your lecture, Mohammad Zishan, Nashwa, Nashwa Zishan. Okay, Nashwa Zishan, class 2 son. Okay, my dear, thank you so much. The next one. Students, if you have any question regarding your lesson, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है आपके लेसन के रिगार्डिंग, then please kindly you can ask from me. आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. I'm here for you. अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आपको लेक्चर में हो रहा है, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आया, आपको क्वेश्चन है आपके लेक्चर के रिगार्डिंग, तो then kindly.
I have a question.
Yes बेटा.
मैम अभी आप चैप्टर पढ़ना था बस.
जी.
आपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर आज करवाना था.
Yes बेटा. Today is our first lesson of unit number 1 and the lesson name is about myself. Anything else बच्चे?
No, वो क्वेश्चन.
Thank you. Okay, my dear students, today we have done with this. We have done our first lesson and discussed a lot about the families. Now, I'm going to assign you a homework. My dear students, you have to learn plus solve book page number 2 and 5. Book page number 2 and 5. Book page number 2. There is a book page number 2 about yourself and book page number 5 about you and your friend. You have to solve it and you have to learn this page as well. And my dear student, you have to draw your family tree and you have to paste the picture of your family members on the tree. After this, you will get the notes through your WhatsApp. आपको WhatsApp के थ्रू आपके